Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. First, ensure your Roblox account is set to 13 years or older, as this is a strict requirement for the feature. You will need to verify your age using either a government-issued identification document or by adding and confirming a phone number to your account. Begin by navigating to your account settings to check your current age information and prepare for the verification process. If you prefer not to use an email for verification, you can use a phone number. Go to your account settings, then select Account Info. Find the option to add a phone number and input a valid mobile number capable of receiving text messages. Roblox will send a one-time code to this number. Enter the code into the app to successfully verify your phone number, which helps confirm you are 13 years or older. Once your age is successfully verified, either by ID or phone number, you can enable voice chat. From the main menu, tap the three dots for more options, then select Settings, and finally Privacy. Scroll down to the Communication section. Here, you will see a toggle labeled Use Microphone to chat with voice. Switch this toggle to the on position to activate voice chat for your account. With voice chat enabled, remember to always follow Roblox's community standards to ensure a positive experience for everyone. You have the ability to mute or report any players who are not adhering to these guidelines directly within the game. Also, make sure your mobile device's operating system has granted microphone access permissions to the Roblox app, allowing you to communicate clearly and effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.